Are you looking to sell your home for top dollar with the least amount of hassle in your time frame with superior results and incredible service? We have the perfect solution for you. We have a VIP seller benefit system for you. Our unique team system and our exclusive innovating and consumer programs, our leading edge technology, and our specialized knowledge will do just that. I'll explain how we do this. Our seller benefit system is completely different on other agents on how they sell your home. We have exclusive consumer programs that we have developed as a direct result of the experience that we've had with so many home sellers. I'm going to just give you a sneak peek of what we do to sell your home with our innovative marketing systems and solutions. I'll explain what some of our programs are and how they're going to benefit you. What most agents do is the ABC of real estate. They advertise themselves, put a sign in your yard, maybe create an ad, download your listing to the multiple listing service. They might encourage their office to show your home. They may try an open house, and they get on their knees and they pray that it sells. They race around trying to be all things to all people, which gives them very little time to give the home sellers the service that they deserve. With us, you get a whole team of people working for you. What happens with us from the listing to sale, we prepare a customized, advertised marketing plan and presentation for your home. That plan is fine-tuned by our team of experts. We personally write and supervise all the ads, sales details, videos, social media posts, website postings, and so much more information about your home. Our aggressive marketing begins through multiple media channels and our presentation of your home to our database of buyers. When we pull that trigger to selling your home, there are 16 systems that activate to get your home sold fast, for top dollar, with the least amount of hassle, superior service, and all that starts within the first 72 hours. When listing your home, our team has created systems that are innovative, and we have consumer programs and an exclusive advertising system that creates more demand for your home. Our one-of-a-kind buyer profile system has an exclusive database of buyers in waiting looking for those homes. What happens is your home is exposed to a group in our database of highly pre-qualified and interested buyers daily. The property alerts to our database of buyers in waiting, which are very select and represent a powerful way of presenting your home to our prospects, matching your home buying criteria. This service gives us a stronger number of serious prospects to bring through your home. We also have an everyday open house system. One of the problems is that buyers drive around through neighborhoods, start writing down numbers from signs, and they may have 15 numbers that they don't even call. We have a solution for just that. That is our everyday open house. They can click and listen to the everyday open house details from the sign that we place in your yard. This system greatly benefits home sellers. Our system makes your home stand out and draws attention for prospective home buyers. They get information easily and immediately just from sitting in the comfort of their car, and all of that without talking to an agent. The everyday open house happens 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We get 3 times as many calls with the everyday open house because they don't actually have to speak to an agent to get information. We create an atmosphere of no hassle viewing of your home. We have so many online systems and unique marketing just like this. We provide an incredible marketing system that we customize for each home seller. We syndicate your listing for maximum exposure all over the internet. We have videos and ads, blogs, and so much more. Your home is virtually everywhere that a buyer can find it on the internet. Our exclusive offline to online marketing system generates even more buyers for your home. We also have an international presence for your home and a presence all over the United States. We also offer a guaranteed sales program. This program guarantees the sale of your home or we'll buy it. As you probably know, the real estate catch-22, the fear of getting stuck with 2 homes or owning no home at all. Our guaranteed sales program solves that dilemma for you. Are you ready to find out all the guarantees and marketing and advertising that we do to sell your home? How we're different? Are you ready to get your home sold? The next steps is to call or text us at 561-221 2292. We can give you tips on what to do and what not to do when selling your home for the most amount of money. We can go over all the closing costs that you will incur so you'll know exactly what you're going to have left in your pocket after all expenses. It's free of charge and obligates you to nothing. Just call or text us at 561-221-2292.